What is that skeleton's name in Halloween Town?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what his name
What is his name?
But doesn't he usually drive? Doesn't he?
He
drive
does
the taxi?
drive, but I guess he's a passenger today.
It's a soft day.
So today we are in Animal Kingdom. You can't see the tree. Well, you can kind of see it. It's right there. The tree of life. I have you guys precariously over this fence. I don't really know what the plan is here, but we're just kind of looking around. And I got Shelby in the background. This is friendship, guys. Hey! Consensus on Nemo.
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah? Good?
I will watch it again.
Okay, for the record, Finding Nemo is better than Dinosaur. Dinosaur's trash.
Full tea, full shade.
$10 for a hot dog?
No. Next. Thank you, next. I need a Snick Snack Paddywhack. Give a dog a bone. We're excited! Here we go!
That was amazing. For this one, because I was the only one able to get the fast pass. I had to leave my friends behind, but it's okay. Everything's okay. I will be fine, but I'm excited. Guys, we just went on Flight of Passage. No words. Like freaking amazing. Like I wanted it to be longer.
I know. I was gonna say when I was over.
Oh my god. Worth running in the torrential downpour with wet. We all have wet shoes and socks. 100% worth it.
Totally worth refreshing your account. For 20 minutes.
Yeah, we had to refresh his account for 20 minutes. Well, I say we, not me.
Well, I got mine earlier in the day.
Yeah. And then I got mine.
As soon as you checked out the dinosaur, you're like, oh,
yeah. Yeah, and then we had to work for his.
Yeah, we started in Dino Land, moved our way over to Discovery Island, and then we were at the kiosk. He was refreshing on his phone, I was refreshing on the kiosk, and then eventually he stopped and was praying. And then his mom called.
And then my mom called, and then right after that, she was like, I got one. I was like,
so worth it. So worth it. And I haven't been vlogging because it's been raining and my phone is like less than 10%. But I guess we're about to see how it is. And it's really dark, but guys, amazing. Like full blown fucking amazing.
crazy day. We did so much. We had such a great time. Thank you so much for joining me at Animal Kingdom, and I will see you guys when I see you. Bye.
Make sure you give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your notifications to see more videos like this where we get
we just want to thank the sponsors and all the team.
Thank you, Disney College Program, for giving us the opportunity to go on Brave World.